In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw Gann Box on TradingView. The Gann Box is a powerful tool that helps you map price and time together so you can visualize potential support, resistance, and timing zones on any market. Start by opening your TradingView chart. Make sure you're looking at the market and symbol you want to analyze. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the main drawing toolbar. Look for the section that houses the Gann and Fibonacci tools. Click it to expand the menu, then choose Gann Box from the list. If you don't see it immediately, hover to reveal more options. It's grouped with other Gann and Fib drawings. Before placing the box, switch to your desired chart time frame. Choose the interval that aligns with your analysis, whether that's a higher time frame for swing analysis or a lower time frame for intraday work. This ensures your box lines up meaningfully with the price action you care about. Now plot the Gann Box on your chart. Click where you want the box to start, commonly at a significant swing, low or high, and drag to your target point to set the opposite corner. You'll see the grid appear as you place it. After it's on the chart, you can adjust the range by dragging the edges or corners to refine both the price height and time width until it covers the move you want to study. To fine-tune the appearance and behavior, click on the Gann Box to select it, then open the settings. In the Style section, locate background and use the slider to move it up or down to control the fill opacity. A lighter background keeps your chart clean. A stronger fill makes the zones stand out. Choose what improves your visibility without clutter. For precise placement, go to the Coordinates tab. Here you can enter exact price and time values for the starting and ending points of the box. This is helpful if you want the tool to align perfectly with a specific candle's high, low, or timestamp. Next, open the Visibility tab. Decide which time frames should display the Gann Box. If it's part of a higher time frame thesis, you might hide it on lower intervals to keep those views tidy. If it's an intraday tool, show it only where you trade actively. When you're satisfied, click OK to apply your settings. You can always reselect the box and revisit the gear icon to tweak things later. With these steps, your Gann Box will be accurate, readable, and tailored to your workflow.